Hey there, I was sent over this 2-pack of scrapers to try out. I really like keeping these around. These come in handy for scraping labels off of things or stickers that need to be removed, and sometimes even other things like glue and that gets stuck on things. So you'll get the 2 scrapers themselves along with 30 replacement blades that are all individually wrapped on the blade end. Each scraper has a drill hole in it so it can be hung on a pegboard and kept handy that way if it's in the garage or something. They also each have a cover on them, so if they're in a drawer, the blade is covered. Once the lid's off, there's the blade, and when the blade needs to be changed, it actually has to be removed. So there's a knob here, so this comes off, and then this blue piece here gets removed. There's your blade. The new blade goes in, the piece of plastic goes back on, and then the knob goes back in to the nut on the other side, and it's ready to go. I like how it's plastic, but it does have some shape here, so it's easy to hold and use, and it gives some grip to the scraper. If you are looking for a new scraper, maybe this 2-pack with extra blades is a good product for you.